Alright, are you excited? It's a surprise. Alright, let's go to the store. Alright, let's go. We're here. Yay! So guys, today we're gonna do a surprise project. It's super cool. I know the kids will love it, and I guess it's something different than what we're doing. But let's get to it. So we went to Dollar Tree, did not find anything that we needed. So we went to Publix and we got everything we needed except like one thing, which is what you'll see later.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel.
Today we're gonna make, it's a surprise. Rachel doesn't even know. Alright, before we tell you what it is, and doesn't even know, our ingredients are milk. We're using whole milk, so fat milk. Cotton balls, some dish soap, and some food coloring. What colors are we using today?
Red, yellow, green, blue.
Good job. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the ball.
All right. So first we're going to put a thin layer of milk on Raven's plate. Alright, so we're going to put milk, a thin layer. I'll pour it. No. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, so the second thing we're going to use is food coloring. So what color would you like to use? Blue? Yeah. Alright, let's start off with blue. And you're going to do little drops of blue in the milk, okay? Go ahead. Well, I said little drops. We're going to put like a whole thing of blue. But it's okay. I'm going to try. It's my turn. Ready? I'm going to do red. Excuse me, sir. I'm going to pour like this, little drops around the milk. See? Alright. What's the next color you want to use?
Green.
Oh, green? Alright, do little drops. Don't squeeze it so hard. No, lift it up. Why you put it so close to the milk? Go ahead, try it. 1, 2, go around. Okay. Let's do our last color. What's our last color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Let's try yellow.
Okay. Around.
Yep, you're gonna do yellow drops. Don't touch the milk. Keep squeezing, go around. You can put it in the blue too. Whoa, see how that turned green? Oh no.
That was a good batch.
Alright, let's put these up. So now our next thing we're going to use is dish soap. Ready?
Turn it around.
Let's see. We're going to put some of the dish soap a little bit inside of this. Okay. Now you're going to get your cotton ball and you're going to dip it in the dish soap. Get your cotton ball. 1. Dip it in the dish soap a little bit. Dip. Alright, then we're going to dip it in the milk. Let's see what it does. Go ahead. Go around all the colors and dip it. sun's. Oh, what does that look like?
Something.
That's super cool. Let me try it. I'm gonna dip a little bit again. I'm gonna go to the plate. Slowly tap it. Whoa, look at the reaction. It just like literally moved. How cool is that?
I'm trying again.
Whoa, try it. Try a different cotton ball.
Let's see what it looks like.
Hold it. No, don't turn it. You have to just tap it. Okay, that one got messed up.
I want to do the other one.
Dip it in the dish soap. And you're gonna lightly put it down. Lightly touch it. Like a little touch. Go ahead. And watch it move. Oh, alright. That one got soiled because you dipped. I think you dipped it in too much. We'll give you more cotton balls. Alright, let's try this again. Dip the dish soap. There's something in the middle. You're gonna have to go around. Okay, that's good. And you're gonna tap it lightly. See? You gotta hold. You have to pull it out. Why you leave it there? It's soaking up the milk. Whoa. So when the dish soap touches it, it moves. Alright, I think we're done with this. Look, it came out so green. Yeah, here, let's put these on the side. What color that came out 2 minutes ago? Like a nasty green, like gooey boogers.
Ew.
Ew. Do you like that?
Yeah. But I want to make more things.
Alright, let's try it again. Try it again. Alright, Raymond's gonna try it again. Go ahead, Raymond. So guys, this is called the Magic Milk Food Coloring Experiment. So basically when the dish soap, I guess, touches the milk, it like spreads out like a tie-dye. Did you like that, Papa?
Yeah, but I want to make some more tie-dye.
Oh my god, you're making like a green gooey mess.
I want to make a more tie-dye.
You want to do more?
Yeah.
Alright, say bye to your friends. Say thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Are you a zombie?